Hi, I'm Zoe, a Customer Success Manager here at Kick Consulting. At Kick, we specialise in building smart, scalable systems that streamline operations and improve visibility across your business. We're an official Monday.com partner here in Australia and have worked with many businesses across many industries. Today, I'll walk you through our resource management solution, which has been built on Monday's work management product. This solution is designed to centralize your project delivery and resource management, giving your team a clear and efficient way to track jobs, personnel, and equipment all from one platform. Let's begin with a high-level overview of how the solution fits together. At the core of the system are a series of smart boards designed to seamlessly link jobs, personnel, equipment, time off, and maintenance requests. Each element of your business, from job tracking to leave requests and maintenance, is centralized and interconnected to ensure clarity, reduce double handling, and enhance visibility across your operations. Every board feeds into a live dashboard, giving you real-time insights to support confident decision-making and efficient scheduling. Now let's take a look at how each piece fits together. This is the jobs board. The jobs board gives you a high level of client work underway. Every job is created here as a simple entry. Here I'll give you an example. So you put in the job, you can assign a person, schedule it. The jobs board gives you a high level view of all client work underway. Every new job is created here as a simple entry, capturing key details like project name, the client, assigned project owner, and key dates. As a job progresses, you can expand it to a dedicated project board using a simple trigger, ensuring the delivery team has a detailed space to manage tasks and milestones. That is how you would move it to a dedicated project board. Jobs are grouped dynamically, starting as scoping, active projects, and finished projects. In this video, you'll see how updating a project stage instantly moves it between groups, keeping everything organized and easy to track. Next, we have the personnel board, your central directory for all team members. Each team member is listed with key details like their role, their billing rate, leave entitlements, and linked projects. But it's more than just an employee list. It actively links staff to tasks and leave periods. When someone is assigned to a project or task, it is reflected here. If a staff member looks to book time off, it automatically syncs with job planning so that they are not mistakenly allocated during their unavailable dates. This ensures accurate resource planning without needing constant manual checks. The equipment directory tracks every piece of operational equipment, whether it's for hire or internal use. Each entry records the asset's name, daily or hourly rates, maintenance history, and current job assignments. When equipment is booked onto a job, its availability updates automatically, helping you avoid double bookings or maintenance clashes. If a piece of equipment goes in for servicing, it's flagged in the system and temporarily removed from the available pool, ensuring your planning is always accurate. This is a template-driven project board. When a new board becomes active, a detailed project board is generated automatically from a predefined template. So I'm going to show you an example of this when we move to jobs and we create a project board. Each project board is structured into key groups such as planning, execution, and launch, with preloaded tasks and milestone checkpoints. Teams can customize each project with specific details, assigning tasks to personnel, linking equipment, setting deadlines, and tracking statuses. Because these boards follow a standard template, it ensures consistency across every project, while still allowing flexibility for unique project needs. You'll see in the demo how quickly and easy it is to tailor a new board once it's spun up. To manage downtime effectively, we've also included 2 critical supporting boards. The time off board, which is for when staff leave is logged. Once a leave request is approved, the system automatically marks that that staff member is unavailable for task allocation during that time. This prevents scheduling clashes and gives managers a clear view of resource availability. When equipment requires servicing, it's booked into this board. The system records the use, service period, and relevant notes, and temporarily removes the asset from available inventory to avoid accidental bookings. Both boards work behind the scenes to protect project delivery timelines without requiring manual intervention. We've integrated a smart effort and cost tracking system with each project board. Planned effort is automatically calculated based on task duration, assuming a standard 7.5-hour work day. This can be easily overridden for shorter or partial days tasks to create a more accurate forecast. Labour costs and equipment hire costs are also dynamically calculated on linked billing rates. This means you can instantly see expected delivery costs for both internal resourcing and external invoicing without needing to build manual spreadsheets or do back of the envelope maths. Finally, all boards feed into a real-time dashboard. Here you can monitor job pipeline and status, staff workload and availability, equipment availability, and maintenance status. This dashboard makes it easy to spot overbookings early, identify bottlenecks, and balance resources across active projects. That's an overview on Kit Consulting's resource management solution. For more detailed walkthroughs, please contact Kit for a complimentary discovery call. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you get the most from your system.